Hi everyone, this is Shagun from Surprise Sutra, and you would be happy to know that for today's video I have heard all your requests. Today I'm going to show you my favorite foil balloon hacks, the hacks that I swear by. I'm going to show you how I deflate a foil balloon, and I'm going to show you how I reuse foil balloons in two different ways. So yeah, come with me. Thank you for watching, and if you like these hacks or these hacks help you, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me. Bye.